Yo, what's up guys? Back again on the bike. This is the first good day that we've had in like 3 fucking days, which sucks and which is annoying. And this video is not going to be too long. It's going to be kind of short, but I just wanted to get out and make one just to have one out there, because, you know, it's better to have consistency than no consistency. So today, I think what we're gonna do is, on our other channel, Rocky Mountain Vloggers, like I've mentioned in the other video, I think we're doing, I don't know what my brother wants to do, but he said he wants to do turning $15 into like 50, because he's been selling on eBay, and he wants to, I gotta get over, he wants to make a video about it and kind of teach me how to sell on eBay, but I could care less. Selling on eBay does not interest me in the slightest, but I'm still gonna go do it, and after I do this, that's what we're gonna go do. So yeah, that's why I'm not gonna be able to make a long video, but it would be nice to get at least, you know, a 5-minute, 2-minute, or however long video out there. I really hope I set off this this light, because sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I've been stranded at this light for a long time before. So like I was saying before, I was burning up at that red light. I think we're gonna go do that today. I don't know exactly where we're gonna go, but if you do, if that sounds interesting and you want to check it out, go check it out on that channel. Also, another thing I forgot to mention, I moved my mic into, like, I guess it would be its permanent spot. It's in the left side of my mouth, and I velcroed it down out of my way to try and cut down on breathing noise, because God almighty, the breathing just could get annoying. Don't hit me with a stick or anything. But I did move it to the left a little bit, so I don't know if that sounds better or worse. Hopefully there's less wind, maybe, because I have it padded, literally, I have it padded up against my helmet, like it's, you know, velcroed, because my brother gave me some really high quality velcro. What are we doing here? What's going on here? Why did you stop? He gave me some high quality velcro. Oh, now they're going like 10 miles an hour. Great. One of these next upcoming videos, because it's supposed to be nice out, so who knows, maybe I'll do a double upload. But I might end up, one of these times I want to go up Lookout Mountain, and I want to drive through Red Rocks kinda, but they just had a concert, so I figured that it would be just packed, because I don't know, you know, if they're having a concert this weekend or what, because today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Thursday.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I don't know. What's this car gonna do? Go straight? Okay, good. I'm gonna take a left here. But if I can find out if there's going to be a concert or not, then I'll try and go through Red Rocks, because it's a really pretty drive. I've done it a couple times. Okay, I'm gonna beat this car. It's actually a little windy out, but not too bad. It's like, are these fucking spike strips? Actually, they were bungee cords. They kind of look like spike strips. Imagine I just get taken out by fucking spike strips just chilling. There's actually a really sick biker bar right here that I would love to go to one day. But, you know, who knows? Yeah, that place is really cool. But yeah, I just thought I would try to film this, get a video up on the channel. It's a little bit shorter of a one, but yeah. Alright, I'm just leaving McDonald's we just filmed a little bit of that video that I was talking about, but man, we didn't end up buying anything. He found something cool that was like $4.99 that was selling on eBay for like 60 bucks, which would have been really, really cool. But oh my god, literally we were standing at the case to look at these headphones or something I think he was looking at. We stood there for like 35 minutes, 40 minutes, nobody was helping us, and then we were getting ready to go check out, and the checkout line, there was only one person doing it, and that was like another 30-minute wait for all the stuff that these people were buying. Finally, for all this stuff that these people were buying, and we just did not feel like waiting that. We didn't feel like waiting it. So we just decided to leave. I don't know if he's gonna go to a garage sale or something afterwards, or what, but yeah, holy shit. I mean, I have never seen in my life a Goodwill more packed. I don't know what the right word is. More packed-er, more over, I don't know what the hell the word is. Yeah, I've never seen, holy shit, like, hold up, buddy. Who's seen, or you know, who shops at Goodwill that much? It was 1 o'clock. What's today? What did I say? Wednesday? It was 1 o'clock on a Wednesday. What could these people possibly need at 1 o'clock on a Wednesday? But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But I decided I'd film a little bit more since I was out getting the McDonald's. Let's see, any cars? No. So I think tomorrow is supposed to be nice too. I think I said that earlier, but I would love to film some more and do something. Maybe go down to my old high school and get some food or something, because they have a really good Chinese place down there that I really like. Maybe film a little bit of that on the way. But yeah, I think I'm done riding for the day, so I think I'm going to end it here. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, please subscribe. It means the world. Yeah, if you want to see me do anything, or if you have any recommendations on what I can fix, what I can do, rides you want to see me do, like I said, I want to do Lookout Mountain soon, because it's literally right there. Those poles right there is the top of Lookout Mountain. So if you want to see me do any of that stuff, let me know, and I will catch you in the next one.